Hello and welcome to the Treasurer's Manual, how to complete a reimbursement form for a student or individual that paid for an item for an event for your organization. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have all the original itemized receipts from whatever that person paid for that you want to reimburse them right with you while you fill out this form. The form is located on the Treasurer's Manual website and under the Forms tab at the top of the page, and it will be under the link of Event Reimbursement Form. Again, you need your organization's login credentials, username and password to enter this form. And once you have that, you'll be brought to the step-by-step form on how to reimburse someone. So you have to make sure you list, does this event that you're reimbursing someone for involve food or drink? So if you're reimbursing someone because it was food or drink they paid for, select yes. If you're reimbursing someone for decorations, that does not include food or drink, so select no. But for this specific amount, this person bought pizza and sodas for an event, so yes, it's going to involve food or drink. Person or company being paid, just put their specific name right here and then put your organization's name below. The funding source, again, student government means that it came from the student activity fee. And then organization revenue is you want to pay them, you guys had an event for your organization and you want to pay them through your organization's monies and your university account. And again, that account is with the Department of Student Life, so if you don't know if you have an account, most likely you don't, but you can always check and call the Student Org Finance Advisor. But for this instance, it came from the student activity fee that's managed through student government, so we're going to go ahead and select that. The day and time of the event, it was a 12 p.m. lunch event on Green Street, and then the person that's being reimbursed, the receipt exact amount showed with tax, the $156.38, and then exactly what they bought down here. And because again, it was an event that was sponsored by the student activity fee as the funding source, it has to make sure that you say it was open to all students. You have everything filled out. You're going to hit create PDF to print. This PDF is exactly what you're going to submit to the Student Organization Finance Advisor's Office in the Russell House West Wing, Suite 115. But please make sure when it comes to an event or a reimbursement form where you want to reimburse an individual when it comes to food, that you have this form, and again signed, and their signature and printed name of either the president or treasurer of the organization on it. You need to have the original receipt that shows the $156.38 listed. Make sure it is an itemized receipt as well. And then you also need to add, because it's food and it's after an event has happened, you have to have an attendance list of who came to the event to reimburse someone. So it's basically the institution saying, oh, that's great that you all had an event, but we just want to make sure that people actually came, who came, and it can be a list of names. Just make sure you can have a flyer for the event attached as well, but proof that the event happened, which is that attendance list and flyer, and then again the receipt with this memo form. So you'll turn all of this in to the Russell House West Wing, and the Student Org Finance Advisor will guide you if there's anything that they need or anything extra. If you have an event or if you have a form that does not need food or drink or doesn't involve food or drink, and it's just for reimbursement for decorations, and it's for $140 even that they paid, you just again create the PDF to print, but you're going to see that there isn't that VPSA signature at the bottom because we don't need to send it to our vice president. It's only food memos that actually go to him. So please note, we always need the president or treasurer's signature, but we also need every single receipt that you might have just to support that this person truly bought this amount or whatever amount you're going to have on this form. But other than that, you just have to turn it in, and then we will start the reimbursement process. Please make sure that any person wanting to be reimbursed, any student or employee with the university, you go back to that forms page and then you click that student reimbursement information form, and this is what you're going to have to print out and submit with it. You only have to do this once, and that form, when you click it, it will bring you to a form that our university needs students to sign and date and fill out their information on so the university can cut the student a check. So again, this only happens once per student for their time at the university, but if you're not sure, have that student that you want to reimburse just fill this out just in case, and you can always check with the student organization finance advisor just to make sure that they can be reimbursed properly or that they're in the system. If you have any questions, call a student org finance advisor at 803-777-6688. Have a wonderful rest of your day.